Good morning. I thought I would take you through my winter sowing. I actually undid these a few days ago. These are all wetlands plants, native wetlands plants to our area. And these plants are going to go in this section over here of our garden. Unfortunately, it is too wet back there right at the moment. So gonna have to wait for my husband to go through and mow that all down, but we're just adding to what is out there. So let's walk through some of these and see what we've got going, what we've got growing. So in this container, we have two types of milkweed. We have spider milkweed and butterfly milkweed. It looks like lots of spider milkweed and just one or two butterfly milkweed. But I have other milkweeds growing, so not a big deal. I sowed all of these back in February, and I will link that video below of what I did here. Most of these containers have two different types of plants in them, because I didn't have enough containers to plant all the seeds. So whatever side I put the tag is, what it is on that half of the container. So in this container, I have a great Angelica. Doesn't look like any of those came up. And then on this side, I have tall Coreopsis, another native-ar. This one I have cardinal flower, and what else do I have in here? Stiff goldenrod, and there are some of both of those in here right now. You'll see I have the cardinal flower in the back, and let's see, the stiff goldenrod on this side. And in this container, we have Ohio spiderwort and sky blue asters. So a little bit of stuff going on in there. These do look like they need water. That's okay. We can get those watered. It's also supposed to rain here about 3 o'clock. Here are a couple of duds. So Canada anemone was a dud. Nothing came up. So I am going to try and grow that according to the directions, but that one is apparently a hard one to get going. I may have to start that from actual plants. And I've heard Canada anemone is invasive in some parts of the country. So let me know below if that is invasive. In fact, some of these may be invasive in several parts of the country. All right, next we have here, I'm leaning on another one, mountain mint and orange coneflower. Looks pretty good in there. Looks like I have lots of seedlings of both of those in there. This one I have purple meadow rue, and let's see, what is the tag on this side? Evening primrose. So those did exceptionally well. I think Garden Moxie, did she grow some primrose, and maybe hers did not take off? I'll have to check her video. She's also from Michigan, and I've been watching her. Her YouTube channel is excellent. All right, in this one I have common milkweed and swamp milkweed. So I have swamp milkweed growing back there in that wet part already, but it would be great to have some more in there. And in this container, there is a whole lot going on. What do we got in here? Bergamot, wild bergamot, and sneezeweed. And sneezeweed on the right, wild bergamot on the left. That one is really, really taken off. So I'm super happy about those. They are gonna do fantastic. And by the way, I did buy some plastic cloches from the Dollar Tree. I had to order those, and they came in early January. So I want to keep the bunnies from eating these while they're little when I put them in the ground. All right, let's keep going here. I also have in this one swamp rose mallow. It looks like there's only one in there. And blue vervain. The blue vervain I'm kind of super excited about. And what else we got here? We have rosin weed and New England asters. And it looks like both of those came up as well. Here's another dud back here. Let's see what this was. Oh, can't even read that. Oh, spotted touch-me-nots. I was kind of worried that those might not come up anyway. So I need to follow the directions on those. I guess those are very difficult as well to try and get growing. Those seeds are in my refrigerator, and it said to refrigerate those when I got the seed. All right, here's one. I don't have it open. Is this something that didn't grow as well? Yep, turtle head and Michigan lily. Again, those I heard are very difficult to grow from seed. Maybe there is time. Maybe they will show up, but I don't think that they're going to. Missouri ironweed right here, and this also looks like an aster. What is this? No. Oh, it's a dense blazing star. Okay, those came up. Beautiful. In here we have great blue lobelia. And who else is in here? Bone set. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, this is one I'm super excited about. The cup plant. So the way the leaves grow off of the stem, they form like a cup right at the stem, and it holds water. And I've seen videos where birds and insects drink the water out of that particular plant. Okay, over here we have, oops, sorry, maybe another milkweed. I'm not sure. It is a milkweed. Can't read what I wrote there of what type of milkweed it is, but it is a milkweed. So more milkweeds. That's cool. Southern blue flag, that was a dud. I can actually buy those already as plants, so I'm probably going to do that. Here's another dud. This was, world milkweed. Oh, maybe there is one in there. Not really sure. So maybe that one did come up. And did we already show this one? Not sure. What do we got here? Oh, compass plant. Another super cool plant. So imagine living in the Wild West and using a plant to indicate what direction that you're going in. So I'm excited to see this because this plant is supposed to be directional with its leaves. And I'm super excited for that. Plus, it grows super tall, and that would be fantastic. So that is it for my wetlands. Those are my wetlands plantings for this year. This is my winter sowing project for 2024. I will link more about my wetlands plants and one of my prior year's winter sowing. So if you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bill and I would certainly appreciate it. And we hope you have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.